Hello children, now first class mathematics. Take your textbook children. Take your textbook and pencil. Take out children. So in your textbook to page number 103 open it children. Page number 103. Page number 103 open it. Which chapter now? Which chapter? 13th chapter. What is our chapter now? Numbers from 20 to 100. Say spelling children. Say all of you. Say NUMBERS numbers. NUMBERS numbers. FROM from. What is this number children? 20 to this one ones, tens, hundreds. 100. 20 to 100. 20 to 100. Numbers from 20 to 100 is our chapter. In that chapter 2, in previous class 2 we already learning only 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We already learning this. Now page number 103 open it children. In previous class to which like having same like that only here also. Count the bundles of sticks and the loose sticks in the following pictures. Write the numbers in circle. Say how many tens and how many ones are there in each number. So how many ones are there, how many tens are there. There count it and say. Okay. See here children. Here bundles of sticks is there? Yes. So in one bundle to how many sticks having children? In previous class to I am already explaining only. In one bundle to how many sticks are there? 10. One bundle to 10 sticks having. Yes children? One bundle to 10 sticks. So how many bundles are there here? Bundles of sticks. See here how many bundles of sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks is there. So 5 tens. 5 tens means how much children? 5 tens. 5 tens means how much? 50. 5 tens means 50. Plus 1 loose sticks only. Only 1 loose stick having. So 1 ones. 1 only. See here 50 plus 1. How much children? 50. What is this number? Say all of you. 50. Don't say 50. 50 only. You learn like that only. 50 plus 1. So 50 plus 1 how much children? 51. What is this number? 51. 51. Say all of you. 51. In 51 number 2, how many ones having children? Only 1. This place is 1's place. This place is 10's place. How many ones having children here? Only 1 ones. How many tens having here? 5. 5 tens. So we are writing here 5. 5 tens and 1 ones. 5 tens and 1 ones. Okay, right all of you children? Next one. Same like that only. See how many bundles of sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks having. So in each bundle 10 sticks are there. So 5 bundles means 50 sticks. 5 tens means 50. Loose sticks how many here? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 loose sticks are there. 50 plus 2. How much children? 50 plus 2? 52. 50 plus 2? 52. Here how many ones having children? In ones place you check it children. This one is ones place. This one is tens place. You remember children? I am saying again and again. So you remember it. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. 2 in ones place. 2 in ones place. 5 in tens place. So the number is 52. Number is 52. See here. How many tens having here? How many bundles having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles means 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. 5 tens having means how many sticks having total? 50 sticks only. Yes. So, what is this number children? 50. Which symbol is this? Addition symbol. 50 plus. Plus. Here how many loose sticks having children? 1, 2, 3. 3 loose sticks are there. 50 plus 3. 53. 53. Ones place and tens place. Which number is ones place children? In 53 number 2, which number having in ones place? Say all of you. 5 or 3? Which one is ones place? Yes, 3 in ones place. 5 in tens place. Okay, are you completed? Okay, now next number. Here same like that only. How many bundles having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks having. 5 tens means 50. Here loose sticks having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loose sticks are there. 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4 how much? 50 plus 4? 54. 50 plus 4? 54. Here how many ones having children? 4 ones and 5 tens. 5 tens and 4 ones. 5 tens and 4 ones. So the number is the 54. 54. See here. How many bundles of sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks is there. 5 tens means how much children? 50. 5 tens means 50. Here how many loose sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loose sticks. 5 tens and 5 loose sticks. 50 plus 5. How much? 51. Here 50 only. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55. The number is the 55. So 5 in ones place, this 5 in ones place, this 5 in tens place. Ones and tens. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Completed children all of you? Next one. Next page. Here. 5 bundles of sticks having children here. So 5 means So total, how many bundles of sticks here? 5 bundles of sticks. 5 tens means 50. How many loose sticks are there, children, here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many loose sticks? 6 loose sticks. 50 plus 6. 56. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So like that you count and write 56. 5 in tens place, 6 in ones place. 6 in ones place, 5 in tens place. So the number is the 56. 56. Next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. So 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. 5 tens means 50. Here how many loose sticks are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loose sticks having. 50 sticks having here. Here 7 sticks having. Total how many? Added. 50 plus 7 how much? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 57. Here 7 ones. And how many tens here? 5 tens. 5 tens. 7 ones. So the number is the 57. 57. Next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. So 5 tens means 50. Here loose sticks how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loose sticks. 50 plus 8 how much? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58. 58. So how many ones having in this 58 number 2? In ones place number say, children. In ones place which number is there? 8. 8 in ones place. Tens place number 5. 5 in tens place. 5 in tens place. So the number is 58. 58. Next one. See here. How many bundles of sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles. In each bundle to 10 sticks having. So 5 bundles means how many sticks having? 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. Here loose sticks having. How many loose sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 loose sticks having. Here 50, here 9. So total how many? 50 plus 9. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59. So how many ones are there here? 9 in ones. How many tens are there? 5 tens. 5 tens. 9 ones. 5 tens and 9 ones. So the number is the 59. The number is 59. Here, how many bundles of sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bundles of sticks is there. So 5 tens means how much? 50. Here again One bundle is there. Glue sticks is not there, children, here. Only one bundle of sticks is there. So one bundle of sticks means how many sticks having here? 10 sticks. Here 5 bundles having, here 1 bundle. Total how many? 6 bundles of sticks. 6 bundles means how many sticks? 6 tens means how much? 60. 50 plus 10, 60. So here ones place number, 0 in ones place, 6 in tens place.